my good people, welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm reviewing Xera ICO. Xera is an exchange ICO. They are building their own exchange, and they say their exchange is going to be the best cryptocurrency world I've ever seen. Now it says the Xera exchange is going to transform the way cryptocurrencies are traded, offering traders and investors a seamlessly integrated solution for their cryptocurrency investing. Now the ICO phase 1 will start in 16 days, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's go through the ICO and let's see what makes Xera a better exchange than any other one. Now once the exchange start working, they are going to list this cryptocurrency first: credit, Digibyte, IOTA, NEM, or Michelle Ledger, Dash, and Tron. It will be among the first cryptocurrency they are going to list. And you can see that they are among the first 100 token, and you can expect that the trade is going to be huge. It's going to be huge. It's very fast, it's secure, it's liquidity, and everything you can think of in an exchange is available on Xera exchange. Now they have a reduced fee, and I'm going to show you a chart that shows why Xera exchange is better than the other exchanges that existing. You can see the chart. The trading fee they have issued is 0.05. That is the Xera and Binance has the cheapest on all these charts you can think of. Bitrust and all the rest are charging higher, and other things that they have. In fact, they have how to do tutorial section that tells you how to trade cryptocurrency. And this is the development progress they have. This is how it's going to look like. It's good, the demo of what the exchange is going to look like. And you can see here the backend engine and the latest test. You can watch the video yourself and see it for real. Now the token symbol is Xera, is an ARC token, and the token says we start in 1st October 2018 and end November 2018 27. Mass supply is 95 million, and they are selling 65,500,000, and the price is 50 cents, and the payment method is Ethereum. And they have the soft cap of 5.32 million and the hard cap of 29.26 million hard cap. So you can see the roadmap, or you can see the roadmap. You can see the team member Abhishek Singh, co-founder and CEO, Happy Chairman, and all these guys here who have come together to create this thing, and I believe this should be huge, in personal opinion. And this is the frequently asked questions you may think of having. Just click on any of them. What currency can I use to buy Xera? You see it there. Just click on it, and the white paper 22 page well put together. It's nice, it's beautiful, I can tell you that. And ICO bench 4.6 rating. They are based in UK. All the information you need here. So you need KYC, and if you're from US and China, you can be involved with this ICO. They have 5,349 members for now. You know, the pre-sale has not even started, so I mean, this is awesome. By the time they get to the ICO in October, wow, I believe the number should increase. They have 4,002 followers for now on Twitter, and the number should increase. On a later ranking, more visitors from India, from Vietnam, from Philippines, Indonesia, and from Russia. So I love exchange token. My thought, I love exchange token because they are useful, they are active, they are working. It's not just a dump or a jump coin. So I'm really bullish about this. I love this project, and I want to drop the link down below. But do not forget, anything I've said in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Do your own decision, make your own due diligence. And until next time I comes your way, this is ICO Reviews.